Welcome to Mind Q Champs. Let's play the Superheroes Challenge, in which there are 25 questions and the time is 10 seconds. Let's see who can give the most answers. Who is known as the Man of Steel? Batman, Superman, Iron Man, Hulk.
Superman.
Who wears a bat suit and protects Gotham City? Spider-Man, Thor, Batman, Aquaman.
Batman.
Which superhero shoots webs from his hands? Superman, Spider-Man, Flash, Iron Man.
Spider-Man.
Who has a shield with a star on it? Captain America, Hulk, Thor, Green Lantern.
Captain America.
Which superhero has a magic hammer called Mjolnir? Thor, Iron Man, Flash, Black Panther.
Thor.
Who turns green when he gets angry? Aquaman, Hulk, Batman, Ant-Man.
Hulk.
Who is the Amazonian princess with a lasso of truth? Wonder Woman, Black Widow, Scarlet Witch, Supergirl.
Wonder Woman.
Who is the king of Wakanda? Iron Man, Black Panther, Captain Marvel, Falcon.
Black Panther.
Which hero is the fastest man alive? Flash, Ant-Man, Hawkeye, Doctor Strange.
Flash.
Who talks to fish and rules the seas? Aquaman, Hulk, Thor, Groot.
Aquaman.
Which superhero wears a green power ring? Flash, Aquaman, Green Lantern, Shazam.
Green Lantern.
Who is the master of magic in Marvel? Doctor Strange, Thor, Iron Man, Hulk.
Doctor Strange.
Who can shrink very small and also grow big? Ant-Man, Flash, Spider-Man, Daredevil.
Ant-Man.
Who is the best archer in the Avengers? Hawkeye, Batman, Hulk, Black Panther.
Hawkeye.
Which female hero is a great spy in Avengers? Scarlet Witch, Black Widow, Supergirl, Wonder Woman.
Black Widow.
Who uses red magic powers? Black Widow, Scarlet Witch, Captain Marvel, Vision.
Scarlet Witch.
Which hero has metal claws and heals fast? Hulk, Thor, Wolverine, Batman.
Wolverine.
Who is the funny red-suited hero? Deadpool, Iron Man, Superman, Shazam.
Deadpool.
Who is Superman's cousin? Supergirl, Wonder Woman, Scarlet Witch, Captain Marvel.
Supergirl. Which hero has glowing powers and can fly in space? Captain Marvel, Black Widow, Ant-Man, Hawkeye. Captain Marvel. Who says Shazam to turn into a hero? Iron Man, Shazam, Thor, Hulk. Shazam. Who is an android with a Mind Stone? Vision, Hulk, Falcon, Flash. Vision. Which Avenger has mechanical wings? Falcon, Aquaman, Batman, Thor. Falcon. Who is Captain America's best friend, also called Bucky? Flash, Winter Soldier, Ant-Man, Shazam. Winter Soldier. Who is the leader of Guardians of the Galaxy? Star-Lord, Hulk, Thor, Spider-Man. Star-Lord.
Thank you for supporting me. And if you want to see more videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.